bar 60 volt 1000 watts BLDC chain drive kit. So this kit can be used. This you can note it down. This is black wire to black here, black to black, and red to red here. Will be red to red, and in the bottom we have green to blue. 30 kilometers. 3430 RPM. That is revolution per minute can be achieved in this particular speed. So this will be the very. Hi, hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solution. So this is the brand new kit of 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts BLDC chain drive kit. So this kit can be used to convert your normal, that is petrol vehicle, to fully electric vehicle. It can be used for your normal bike category, and as well as it is going to convert for e-rickshaw kind of small three-wheeler kind of applications. You can use it for the college projects, or you can use it for your simple applications. You can use this this BLDC motor kit. So it is coming with the brand of Khetaan brand. So basically it is having a dual voltage the BLDC motor. So it will come with the 48 as well as it can run on 60 volt DC. Okay. So this is the complete unboxing of this kit. So this kit can be available in our online website. So www.swesonlinestore.com. So with easy EMI options also available. So we having two modes of purchase. Either you can purchase in our online website, or you can in that WhatsApp number will be given in the above screen. That in that number you can message. You can give your requirements through our WhatsApp. Our sales team will send you full details about the products and price list about the whole kit. They can send you, and along with the quotation they can forward. So based on that, if you are placing order, will be dispatched maximum in 4 to 5 working days. All over India we providing you the free shipping. Okay, free shipping all over India we providing with the easy EMI options we are giving. Okay, so based on that, this is the complete unboxing of this BLDC 48 bar 60 volt 1000 watts BLDC motor kit. So this comes with the various components. So based on that, we are making many videos in our YouTube channel, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore YouTube channel. So here the speciality of this particular video, we have connected with the LED speedometer right now. So in our in future video also, this particular speedometer will come into the big picture. Okay, so that is what the speciality of this kit. So you want to completely convert your you can disassemble the engine, and you can completely made with the fully electrical kit. So that can be used to run with the electrical mode. So nowadays the petrol environment, that is fuel free environment, you can use it full-fledgedly with the help of the electrical conversion kit. So now let's move on to the video of so our total video consists of 3 segments. So first thing will be the full kit details. So second thing will be the connection segment. So and third thing will be the testing and demo segment. So in the full kit details, we are explaining each and every components of this particular kit. So second segment, we are coming to the connection segment. So in the connection segment, we are explaining each and every how the motor and controller and throttle speedometer is getting connected. We can each and every individual connections we are explaining you. So in the final testing and demo, we are completely giving the voltage, and we can raising the accelerator, and you can show the real how much kilometer can be achieved with the real time proof of digital speedometer, digital tachometer. We can giving you the proof. So you can don't skip the video, you can watch fully. So kindly subscribe to our channel. So many of the people are watching, so kindly subscribe to our channel, so that can be really motivate us to put up more videos in the upcoming. So now let's move on to the video of full kit details. Okay. So in our Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions, so recently we have launched, we are moving to the battery environment also. So we are providing whole kit along with the battery also. So we providing you complete kit along with this kit with lithium peroxide batteries or lithium ion batteries with charger, we are providing the full kit. Check our official website swesonlinestore.com, where in the full kit details plus battery and charger, that category if you can go now, we can giving you the whole complete kit plus battery and charger we are giving. Okay, so you can make use of that and you can place an order on our online website. Okay, swesonlinestore.com. So now let's move on to the video of full kit details. So coming to the full kit details, so starting from the Khetaan BLDC motor. So this having the voltage rating of 48 volt, 1000 watts, Khetaan brand, pure copper winding hub motor. In the back side we have the coolant system of fan is giving along with this. Okay, in the back side. Okay, so this comes with the brand warranty of each and every individual kit. We providing you the complete warranty. So this the blue color, the color itself, it can be identified, can be a more attractive color, this blue and blue, this motor and the controller. So this is the BLDC motor controller. The rated voltage 48/60 volt, the peak current will be 50 amps and the rated power will be 1000 watts. Okay, this is the coming with the brand of Khetaan brand. Okay, so in the side if you can see now, the complete wiring, that is connection details are given in this back side, in the side of the controller. And in the top we having the fault indication. Red color indication indicates throttle fault, yellow controller fault, green color motor fault, blue color indicates overload fault. So these lights can be identified accordingly. Okay, so coming to the connections, in the next segment we can explaining you. This can be connected directly motor on the supply. Okay, in the front side. The remaining the cables are coming, that we can explaining you in the second part, that is connection details. Okay, in the third section, the third item will be the power key switch. Normally we are giving power key switch along with the two keys. Okay, fourth thing will be the throttle, that is acceleration come forward reverse throttle. Okay, the one side will be control and the other side will be dummy side. Okay, that is pure red color we are giving. And the next thing will be the digital speedometer. In the digital speedometer, once we can turn on the power supply, you can see the full option. Once it can goes to the full option, once we can turn off and we can turn on now, you can see the full segment. Okay, where it can indicates the total kilometer here. So it can be pre-recorded. In the previous old speedometers, this kilometer will be resetted. Once we can turn on the power key, this can be resetted. But in this particular speedometer, digital speedometer, will have the count reading of EEPROM reading. This will be a stable. Once you turn on and you can turn off, means it can whatever kilometer will be achieved, it can be stored. Okay, it can be continue from 5 km. Now the 5 km already being tested with this speedometer. Now it can run after 5 kilometers only. Okay, so this can be indicates the battery level. So here it can be full charge, it can state of ready. Okay, here the digital speed, it can be identify the total kilometer will be achieved in this particular screen, as well as right and left and right indications, headlight indication, parking assist, everything will be coming with one digital speedometer. So that is what the added advantage of this particular kit. Okay, so don't be like you can place an order immediately from our online website. So this is the completely the brand new Khetaan 1000 watts BLDC motor kit. Okay, so this kit having the huge demand in the market, so you can rush the order and you can book from our online website. So this is the DC to DC converter. You can convert your 48/60 volt into a 12 volt system. So this can be used to your horn and braking systems. Okay, for lighting applications you can use this converter. This is converting maximum amps rating of 10 amps. So this is the yellow box connector. So this yellow box connector right now we are giving along with this kit. So for this application, already the controller itself we can connect it accordingly. So you can either you can use or you can no use of this particular thing. So final thing will be the heavy charging socket we are giving along with this kit. Okay, so totally we giving 8 accessories we will giving along with this kit. Okay, so what are all the accessories that we will give, we can explain you. First thing will be the 48/60 volt 1000 watts BLDC motor. Second thing will be the BLDC motor controller 1000 watts 50 amps. And third thing will be the speedometer, digital speedometer coming with the Khetaan brand. And fourth thing will be the throttle with forward reverse switch. Fifth thing will be the yellow box connector. Sixth thing will be the power key switches with the 2 keys. Seventh thing will be the that is DC to DC converter 10 amps. And eighth thing will be the heavy charging socket. So totally 8 items we will giving along with this kit. Okay. So now let's move on to the second segment, that is connection segment. So now let's move on to the second section, that is connection segment. So now let's move on to the video. From starting we have connected, we are explaining you from the motor. So here it is directly connected with the motor. The motor, there will be 2 wires are coming out. So this is the heavy wire, so this is the 3-phase motor wiring. So and this one will be the hall sensor wiring. So this wire can be directly goes to the large segment. So here, so from starting there will be the green wire is connected in the first, second wire, that is yellow wire, is connected in the second, and the blue wire is connected in the third. Okay, you can note this particular wiring. Okay, first one will be the green, second one will be the yellow, and third one will be the blue. Okay, and the opposite side we having the power supply connection. So that is positive and the negative. So first one will be the positive and second one will be the negative. You need to give plus 60 volt and plus 48 volt here. Here will be the minus 48 volt. Okay, and coming to the hall sensor connection. So this 5 pin will be the connection from the hall sensor. Okay, this you can note it down. This is black wire to black here, black to black, and red to red here. It will be red to red, and in the bottom we have green to blue. Okay, here you can see green to blue and blue to green. Okay, and final yellow to yellow. Okay, you can easily note it down. Green to blue, blue to green, and yellow to yellow. Okay, so this is the simple connection from the motor wiring and the hall sensor wiring and the power supply wiring. Okay, so now let's move on to the second connection from the power key switch. So in the power key switch will be coming with 2 wires. You can find there will be 2 wires are coming out from the power key switches. So one wire will be directly coming from the supply. It can goes to the one side. Okay, one end of the supply, and the other side will be directly goes to the, here there will be 3 wire meeting in the hub. Okay, what is this 3 wire? So this red color wire from the controller is for enabling the power key switch. So this red color wire will be the, once you turn on the power key, the supply will goes to the controller, and as well as from this red wire is on the another side, it can goes to the speedometer, this heavy red wire, and this particular red color wire is goes to the so one end from the motor, so one end from the power key switch and another end from it is meeting directly with the these 3 hubbing point. Okay, so one end is directly coming from the controller and the other end is coming directly from the key switch, and one wire is directly going to the speedometer. Okay, so this is the 3-way junction. So once the power supply will turn on, the supply will goes to the controller as well as the speedometer. Okay, so for that purpose we have made this connection. Okay, this is a simple connection, don't confuse. Okay, So coming to the third part, so that is throttle connection. So here it will be simple. So this green, black and red will be the acceleration. So here it is connected end to end. This is green to green, black to black and red to red. Okay. And in the forward reverse, we having black and gray color. Okay. Here this two yellow color wire will be the forward reverse. You can connect either forward as well as reverse. Okay. So here black is connected to yellow and gray also connected to yellow. Okay. You can connect vice versa. And coming to the final connection, that is the speedometer connection. So speedometer consists of totally 6 wires. Okay. So here we have disconnected from the connector and we have connected as usual for the clear explanation of this particular speedometer, because this is new speedometer. So that is why we have connected. You can easily write it down. This red color indicates the supply voltage. So the supply voltage will be 60 volt, 48 volt. This can work on 72 volt also. Okay. And also we have the green connector. So green color wire is directly given to the negative of the supply. So here it can goes to the negative of the supply to the controller. Okay. Here this black is connected to this green. The green one will be the negative of the supply, and this black color will goes to the speed sensor. So this going to the this black color wire will be going to the hall sensor, that is speed sensor wire. So that is the violet color wire we have connected from the controller. So these three will be the basic connections to turn on this meter. Okay. So remaining 3 colors of wire you can kindly note it down. So first thing will be the yellow will be goes to the headlight. This can be indication, only the indication will goes to this particular yellow, and this white color will be left indicator, and this blue color one will be the right indicator signals. Okay. So these 6 wire you can kindly note it down. Red one will be supply, green one will be the negative, black one will be the speed sensor, and the yellow one will be the headlight, white one will be the left color indicator, blue one will be the right indicator. Okay. So that's all about the basic connection. So on the remaining set, here we have connected. So these wires we can keep it as an empty. Okay. So for 60 volt we need to connect this, and for the forward reverse we need to connect this. Okay. And for this is for 3-speed mode that we are not using here. So on remaining set will be the center locking and the power key switches, center locking remote keys. So here we kept it as an empty. Okay. So that's all about the connection segment. So now you can easily understood how the connections are made and how the connections can be done from the motor, from the controller, and also to the speedometer, as well as throttle, as well as the power key switches. Okay. Now let's move on to the third section, that is quite interesting, testing and demo. So we can link the corresponding voltages and we can see how the motor is getting rotated with the corresponding. So now let's move on to the final segment, that is testing and demo. So we can turn on the power supply and we can see how the motor can be rotated, and we can explain from the digital speedometer. So now let's move on to we can turn on the power supply connections. Okay. Now we can once again we can turn on the connections. Okay. You can see the fully speedometer. So once we can turn on this system, you can see. So here first time it indicates 60 volt, and the battery state will be indicates the from high to low. Okay, because it's a state of ready. So this is the fully digital speedometer where it can indicate the RPM here. So here it can be counted the total RPM. Okay. So now we have connected that is 60 volt. In the previous Tamil version we have connected 48 volt. If you want to see the 48 volt video, you can go and watch in our Tamil section, that is testing and demo. In that last part we have tested 60, that is 48 volt. Here in English version we have tested with 60 volt. You can see how much kilometer can be achieved. So in 48 volt we can achieve maximum 2830, I think 2830 rpm revolution per minute can be calculated from our digital tachometer. So this is the digital tachometer. So here it can be identified each and every counting of the speed that can be shown lively by using this video. Okay, you can see the Sri Electronics will be 100% will giving the testing proof of each and every motor. So no one in India can do this kind of job. So you can watch the video fully and you can place an order from our online website after watching this video. Okay, so now let's move on. We can accelerate and we can see. So first, step by step we can accelerate and we can see. Okay, so don't suddenly you can accelerate. Step by step you need to accelerate it accordingly. Okay, you need to accelerate step by step, and you can see the motor is rotating. The speedometer you can see. So now the motor is rotating on 26 km. So that our one side another person is handling with the digital tachometer, where you can see 1630 revolution per minute can be rotated. Now it can be accelerated to 35 km in the speedometer and 2000 km will be achieved in the tachometer. Okay, 45 kilometers, 48 kilometers. So in the tachometer 2500 km will be 2500 will be achieved. So now it can run on 48, 52 volt, 56 volt. We can accelerate to 58. So 62, 66, 68. So maximum 68 km will be achieved. So this is the complete speed of this particular 1000 watts motor. So 30 kilometers, 3430 rpm, that is revolution per minute, can be achieved in this particular speed. So this will be the very miraculous, because the Khetaan company is giving 3000 rpm will be the final rpm. So once we have connected to 60 volt, this can be achieved. 3430 revolution per minute can be achieved. Okay, so on the speedometer you can see 68 km will be achieved. 48 volt we have given maximum of 55 km, and maximum output revolution per minute will be 2800, but in 60 volt it can be connected to 3430. Okay, so this is the live demo that we are giving. Sri Electronics will giving the initiative of this particular 1000 watts BLDC motor. So there will be no such vibrations once we have connected at 70 kilometers on no load. There will be no such kinds of vibration in the motor will be occurred. Okay, so now let's second in the reverse mode we can accelerate step by step. Okay, and we can see the motor is rotating. So in the reverse direction, the motor we can accelerate step by step. You can see. So maximum 38 km will be achieved. So this will be the maximum kilometer. So in this tachometer 2130. Okay, 2130 rpm will be achieved. So in the speedometer we can be achieved 39 km per hour. Okay, so in the reverse itself it can be reached maximum 40 kilometers. So in forward direction it can reach 68-69 kilometers. So this will be the company motor will be maximum giving of 3000 km per hour, but based on that it can be run up to 3400 rpm per minute. So this will be the very good motor, so we recommend highly using this particular kit at a very affordable cost. So this price Sri Electronics will damn short we can giving you the rock bottom price. You can check from our online website swesonlinestore.com. So we giving you 50% offer sale for this particular kit. So don't wait, you can go and check from our online website, that the link will be given in the in our every video. We can giving our website details. So www.swesonlinestore.com, you can directly check out this card. So this kit we can provide you with the free shipping all over India. We providing you with the free shipping with the easy EMI options. Okay, so you can right now you can go and book the material. So within maximum 4 to 5 working days this kit can be reached. If you are placing the order from India, it can reach 4 to 5 working days. From all over India, it can be free dispatching. Okay, so kindly subscribe and support to our channel. So press a bell button, so then only the continuous notification of our new upcoming videos can be easily notified. Okay, so kindly subscribe to our channel and support to our channel. So thank you, thanks for watching.